Hey everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to skip the fancy stuff and focus on 3 simple basic exercises you can do every day. These moves help prevent long-term back pain, knee issues, and stiffness, especially after you turn 40. No special gear needed, no gym membership, just practical exercises for lasting health. Even with all the fitness knowledge out there, we're moving less and hurting more than ever. Many people chase intense workouts, but they miss the basic moves our bodies really need. Those little aches can turn into big problems, but this decline doesn't have to happen. If you could only pick 3 exercises for your whole life, would you choose ones to look good, or ones for lasting health? Our modern sit-down lifestyle weakens and tightens important muscles, leading to pain and poor movement. The 3 exercises we'll explore are the antidote. They bring back essential movement patterns for a pain-free, flexible life. The first important exercise is the deep squat, not the gym squat with heavy weights, but a full resting squat, hips lower than your knees like a child. This position helps open your hips, makes your ankles more flexible, and lengthens your spine. Sitting all day shortens your hip muscles and weakens your butt muscles, which can cause back pain. To start, stand with your feet about shoulder width apart, toes pointing slightly out. Hold on to something for balance if you need to. Lower yourself down, as if you're sitting into a low chair, keeping your heels on the floor. Go as low as you can. Your depth will get better with practice. Hold the lowest position for 30 seconds to a minute, feeling the stretch in your hips and lower back. This simple hold fights the damage from too much sitting, brings back hip flexibility, and takes stress off your back and knees. Over time, your posture will get better, and everyday movements will become easier. At first, you might feel some tightness in your ankles or hips. That's normal. Don't push through pain, just go as low as you can and hold it there. With daily practice, you'll go lower and feel more comfortable. The goal is to easily rest in this position for a few minutes each day, just like our ancestors did. It's about teaching your body how to move well again. Make the deep squat a daily habit to get back your natural flexibility. The second essential exercise is the passive hang. Hanging from a bar is a great way to decompress your spine and fight bad posture. Gravity pushes down on our spine all day long. Hanging gently stretches and takes pressure off your discs and nerves. Find a sturdy bar, a tree branch or a door frame. Grab it with your hands about shoulder width apart. Let your body hang loose. Don't pull up, just relax and let gravity do the work. Your feet can dangle, or you can bend your knees if the bar is low. You'll feel a stretch from your shoulders all the way down your spine. At first your grip might limit you. Start with 10 to 15 seconds. Consistency is more important than time. Aim for short hangs a few times a day, totaling 1 to 2 minutes. Hanging not only decompresses your spine, but also builds grip strength and improves shoulder health. It's a reset for your posture and a relief after hours of sitting. Over time, you'll notice better alignment and less tension. Healthy shoulders and a decompressed spine are super important for staying active and pain-free as you get older. This simple movement is a powerful investment in your long-term health. Make hanging a daily ritual to keep your spine and shoulders happy. It's easy, effective, and takes almost no time. Your future self will thank you. The third essential exercise is the glute bridge. Sitting all day makes your butt muscles fall asleep, forcing your lower back and hamstrings to work too hard, which leads to pain. Glute bridges wake up and strengthen your butt muscles, bringing back healthy movement. Lie on your back, with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor, about hip width apart. Your heels should be close enough that you can touch them with your fingertips. Place your arms by your sides with your palms facing down. Squeeze your butt muscles and lift your hips until your body forms a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Focus on using your butt muscles, not your lower back. Hold at the top for a few seconds, then slowly lower yourself back down. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps, focusing on good form and the mind-muscle connection. Strong butt muscles support your pelvis, protect your back, and improve your hip movement. If you feel pain in your hamstrings or back, adjust your foot position or focus more on squeezing your glutes. As you get stronger, try holding the top position longer or doing single-leg glute bridges. This simple move builds a strong, stable, and pain-free foundation, Make it a daily habit for a healthier back and core. Now, let's put it all together. These 3 exercises, the deep squat, passive hang, and glute bridge, are most powerful when done as a daily 10-minute ritual. No need for long workouts, just 10 minutes a day can transform your body and protect your health. Make these movements as routine as brushing your teeth. Squat while waiting for coffee, hang at the park, do glute bridges during TV time. Breaking it up makes it easy and sustainable. The squat opens your hips, the hang decompresses your spine, and the glute bridge activates your core. Together, they fix the most common problems caused by too much sitting. You'll move better, stand taller, and have less pain. This isn't about how you look. It's about building a body that's strong and pain-free for life. Don't accept getting weaker as something you can't avoid. Choose to invest in your health every day. 10 minutes a day is all it takes for a life of movement and freedom. Imagine yourself in the future, 10, 20, 30 years from now. Will you be active, flexible, and pain-free, or limited by stiff joints and aches? The small actions you take today shape that future. This 10-minute routine is an investment in an active, healthy you. Start right now. Try a glute bridge, hold a deep squat, or hang from a bar. It might feel awkward at first, but that's just your body waking up. Share this with your friends and family, especially those who sit all day or struggle with pain. You could change someone's life with this simple advice. We all deserve to move freely and live fully. Remember, 10 minutes a day for a healthy life. It's not magic, but it's pretty close. Start today, keep it up, and your future self will thank you. Make movement your medicine, build a body ready for a long, active life.